Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread with almond flour. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is ready to go. You'll want to mash your very ripe bananas for natural sweetness, then combine your wet and dry ingredients separately in different bowls. Finally, you'll bake the mixture until it's golden brown and wonderfully fragrant, creating a truly delicious and wholesome treat. Let's get mixing. In one bowl, whisk together your almond flour, baking soda, and any spices like cinnamon. In another, cream together softened butter and your preferred sweetener until light and fluffy. Then, beat in the eggs one at a time, followed by vanilla extract. Finally, gently fold in your mashed bananas to the wet mixture, ensuring it's well combined. Now it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold the dry ingredients into your wet banana mixture, being careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into a prepared 9x5-inch loaf pan. Bake your banana bread at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let it cool completely before slicing and enjoying. For the most delicious banana bread, always use very ripe, spotty bananas. They provide the best sweetness and moisture. Remember not to overmix your batter, as this can lead to a tough texture. Always check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Store your finished banana bread in an airtight container for up to 3 days to maintain its freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.